Hello, it's Josh Kevin here, and today I'm doing another video with Stevie. We are, this is a bit weird, we're walking up, and yeah, I can't make these too long, guys, because of my phone, so yeah, I'm just recording walking up. We're just heading home now, so yeah, do a separate one with Emma too, so yeah, just walking up now, guys. I'm gonna make these 3 minutes. I'm only gonna do these 3 minutes, both of them 3 minutes. So yeah, and I'm also gonna do 2 random videos of two things in the town. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do the Sheffield series tomorrow. So yeah. So yeah, we're just walking now, as you can see. We're just going past the Sheffield by the seaside thing. That's just going past it now. We're just going past the Sheffield by the seaside thing. It's got 8 days left on it. So yeah, just going past that. I will be coming back down to town tomorrow. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. I have, absolutely. Yeah, I'm going to be coming back down here tomorrow on my own. I'm going to be going into shops and all that, so I need to get some more games and that from the trade tours. What's it called? Trade tours, trade dollars, I can't remember. I think it's trade tours, I think. I need to go back down there tomorrow and get some more games and all that. I've actually still got that £10 from today, so I might end up saving that in my wallet tomorrow. No, I might end up getting that, so as you can see, a bus going past. I'm going to be doing a Sheffield series, guys. I'm going to be doing episode 1 tomorrow of that. But yeah, not sure if there'll be any. Might do some videos in town, I don't know, tomorrow. Pardon me. So I might do that as well, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to end this one, guys. There's going to be, I think I'm going to do 6 videos. I'm going to do 2 videos I'm going to do 2 videos of showing 2 things off, just in one-off videos. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty much the end of this one, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.